Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a speed clean my kitchen. It's kind of a disaster right now. So if you're new, I have 3 kids. One is 5, one is 3, and one is 9 months. And I also have a husband that works a lot, and so he's not home a lot. So keeping up with the house, especially with a 3-year-old and a 9-month-old, I get behind a lot. So I'm going to show you the kitchen and show you what I have to tackle today. And yeah, it's bad, so don't judge me. But here it is. So this is our kitchen right now. That side over there isn't too bad just because I kind of started to pick it up last night, and then I'm sure I'm not the only mom like this, but like you start to pick up and then you're just so exhausted by the end of the day, you just don't finish. Because my goal was to like clean my kitchen every night before we went to bed, but that hasn't been happening. As you can see, I've got like bottles here. We've still got Cokes on the counter from when we went to the grocery store and just haven't put them in the fridge. School papers, because this whole area right here is kind of our catch-all. I've got some like tools and also some paint over there because I've been trying to like DIY our kitchen some. If you didn't know, we live in an old house, and yeah, we've been in here. Oh, and there's some snacks from lunch over there. But anyway, so we've been in this house for like a year and a half. But not long after we moved in, we had a new baby, and so I'm still working on updates and painting and all this stuff. And I painted this kitchen red when I was pregnant. You can see behind me. And it brightens up the space, but I'm not in love with it. But we just painted it like 6 months ago, and my husband doesn't want to paint it again, so kind of stuck with it for now. But I've been just like doing some touch-ups and stuff like that, so that's why there's random tools and paint that you'll see everywhere. But yeah, I'm going to do a speed kitchen clean with me, try and get this knocked out before my 5-year-old gets home. So stay tuned.
Read my eyes, do I want to stay? If you thought you weren't made that way, it's the choices we make. We give and take, and I know you will keep trying. Said I think I know what you mean. Pretty good for a dumb machine. And you gave me that smile. We stood there for a while. That was when you woke me up. All this time I didn't know I had my heart on standby. That it is love that I am feeling inside. What it means to be a human. All this time I've been a fool for not seeing you shine. I let my circus know you say you'll be mine. You are the only one without emotions made of steel. What was I supposed to feel? I didn't want to take chances. Past romances were telling me I'd just crash again. I said I think I know what you mean. Pretty good for a dumb machine. You gave me that smile. We stood there for a while. That was when you woke me up. All this time I didn't know I had my heart on standby. That it is love that I am feeling inside. What it means to be a human.
Stepping out, it's Friday night. How I'm longing for this day. Yes, I'm single, oh, we want to mingle, and my friends are on the way. You got that good, good vibe. I want to spend some time back here with you. Oh, whoa. I got that good old times. You want to spend some time back here with me. Oh, whoa. And time after time, I am wondering who is she to me. I'm gonna tell you right now, 'cause she's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without. Oh, that smile makes me tripping out. I wanna dance with you tonight. Yeah, you close to me, feeling good. I believe I gotta have you in my life. You got that good, good vibe. I want to spend some time back here with you. Oh, I got this good old times. You want to spend some time back here with me. Oh, oh. And time after time, I am wondering who is she to me. I'm gonna tell you right now, 'cause she's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only.
Alright guys, we are all done. And it just feels so much better to have a clean kitchen. But yeah. So I hope y'all enjoyed this, and I hope it gave you some motivation. And give this video a thumbs up and comment down below just to say hi, or tell me if you got your kitchen clean today and any tips on how you keep your kitchen clean with kids. But yeah, and also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I would love to have you on my channel, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye guys.
Time after time.